Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply same duration to all images in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my design in Canva, and as you can see, I have added a lot of images here. These are the images I have, and I'm going to make them all have same duration. Okay, if we want to do that, we can click on one of the image and then we can go to the duration menu right here. Click on edit timing and then I'm going to apply for example 0.1 second to all my images. So I'm going to activate this feature, apply to all pages. Okay. Alright, and now as you can see that all my images have same duration. I'm going to play it. Alright. Okay guys, and that's all the way to apply same duration to all images in Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!